Review of 3M India, a company that was started in 1987 in Bangalore as Birla 3M. This company has made a beautiful journey from where it started. Company sells 55,000 products across all categories that human beings touch and live every day. A company that has a fantastic history in the global levels as well as in India, now getting drenched in a thunder shower, empty pockets. Let's look at what's making the stock take a dip. Price rank is at 30.5. That's about 70% of companies in the list that we are tracking. The 660 lists, 70% of companies have given better returns to their investors in the last 1 year. Earnings at 20.7, that means 80% of companies among the 660 list is doing better. That is, their profit growths have been better than 3M India in the market today. So this stock has slipped and hit the floor. If we plot the price rank, 6 months back the stock was ranking at 61.2. Now it is come exactly half to 30. Why such a big drop? Because price did not go anywhere in the last 6 months. It was at 21,000 6 months back. Now it's at 20,500, even going down further. So that said, there is some potential in the stock. Let's look at it as we go forward to the charts. On the EBITDA growth, September quarter brought some kind of benefit to the company. There was a huge growth on the quarterly EBITDA, while TTM is still to catch up. From 15% 2 years back, it's now at minus 66% growth. Comparing the peer group, 3M India ranks the lowest among its peer group. On the price rank, Siemens is the best. On earnings, Godrej Industries is the best. Coming to business growth, sales is going down, profits going down even further. That's because margins are also getting a dip. So whole set of numbers going down. The analysts is sitting and thinking what to do with the stock. Coming to investors, there was some spark here. FIIs and retails have sold the stock. That is the fantastic thing we can see here. A stock that is going down, if we sell, we are getting out of the pain. While domestic institutions like mutual funds have been buying, maybe they are seeing some attractiveness in the stock. Let's look at it in the chart. This stock was a very good trending stock in the 2014-17 bull market. Lost its favor with the underperformance in the business too. No good patterns yet. Staying away is good from the stock for now. It's been in a consolidation for more than a year with a very, very broad range. When consolidations and broad ranges are there, generally it will keep hitting the investor's pocket, taking away money from them. You can see on the weekly charts, goes up, comes down, is just forming a wave. Those who are having a mean reversion system to trade, this stock is very good stock for them to trade. While for those who want to buy and hold the stock, obviously not a good time to invest into it now. While this stock has a good history of performance, when price hits the bottom, it's right time to add it to a portfolio. If suppose we are looking at very long-term investments, the stock generally gives above average returns on the index. What we are seeing here is the last 2 to 3 year returns. If we compare it with the history, the stock is a fantastic performer. That's why the stock price is at 20,000 now. Company valued at 23,000 crores. PE is 136 or 137, more than close to 4 times the industry PE. So very highly valued in the current price. Only one analyst is tracking, and he or she is given a buy call with target of 21,800. Again, price is very close to that. Underperformance against the benchmark on all levels. So for now, 3M is a stock that should be kept aside. Look for buying the stock when it gets more attractive on the numbers, the stock price numbers. So more correction expected in the stock. All the views shared are thoughts and ideas on the stock market from our side. There are no recommendations given to buy or sell any stock. Do your due diligence, get to know the risk, and then decide to invest in the stocks. Thank you.